Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? So this is live price prediction of Digibyte Coin, my brother. What we will need to do, my friends, to get a profit, and absolutely, my friend, what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, everything I am going to discuss now. But kindly, if you are new my channel, so you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for the notification. So this time, my brothers, the Digibyte price were very badly and we are decreasing now. But I hope in upcoming time there is 100% chances, my brothers, to Digibyte price will starting increasing. Minus 2.7% they will lose now. But don't worry, my brother, it's a very short fails. I'm 100% sure to after this short fail, they will take a very huge jump and absolutely they will make you a millionaire now. So Digibyte holder, one thing more I want to tell you, you have a short-term investor starting selling, so the coin will fail down. And this does not mean you cannot follow the short-term investor. If they are starting selling, the price for fails down for a short time, so you will also starting selling and you will be lost now. So kindly don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my brothers, every crypto when fails down, so therefore after a fails they will absolutely, it's 100% clear to they will get a profit now. So I also advise for all of you to kindly do this. I hope they will make you millionaire now, they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.